In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Monday.com. We'll connect the two using Zapier so that activity in Docusign automatically updates your boards in Monday.com. If you've never used Zapier, think of it as the bridge that listens for something to happen in one app and then performs an action in another. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in. Once you're in the editor, begin by choosing the trigger, which is the event in Docusign that will kick everything off. In the Trigger app search, type Docusign, then select it from the list. You'll be asked to choose a trigger event. Pick the one that matches your workflow, for example, when an envelope is sent or completed. This determines exactly when the automation runs. Next, connect your Docusign account. A secure window opens where you grant Zapier permission to access your Docusign data. If you use a sandbox and a production account, make sure you're connecting the correct one for this workflow. After connecting, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent envelope so you can preview real fields like subject, signer name, status, and dates. If nothing appears, send yourself a quick test envelope in Docusign and try again. Now move to the action, which is what you want to happen in Monday.com. In the Action app search, type Monday.com and select it. Choose the action event that fits your process, such as creating a new item or updating an existing item, then sign into your Monday.com account and approve the connection. You'll see options to choose the right workspace and board for this automation. Click Continue to configure the action. This is where you map fields from the Docusign sample to the columns in your board. For example, map the envelope subject to the item name, the completion status to a status column, the signer's name to a people or text column, and dates to date columns. If you track IDs or links, consider mapping the envelope ID or URL to a text column so you can quickly reference the original document. Take a moment to confirm date formats and required fields in your board to avoid errors. When everything looks correct, click Test. Zapier will send a sample to Monday.com and create or update an item using the data you mapped. Open your board to confirm the result and check that each column is populated as expected. If something is off, adjust the field mapping and test again. That's the full setup to connect Docusign activity to your Monday.com boards through Zapier.